G'day folks and welcome back, and a big warm welcome to our new subscribers and our old faithful subscribers. I hope you're all doing okay out there today, tonight, wherever it may be in your part of the world. I'm KC, and this is our entry into the NASCAR Build, and this is with Jeff's Model Car Garage and Fred Henry, and it starts in 2023. So I'll put some details up on the screen, and after I show you our entry, I've actually got two, so I'm gonna get this to help me choose which one I should build out of the two kits I have for the old NASCAR stock cars. Both of them are unstarted, unopened, so that's part of the deal for the build. But like I was saying there, the links will be in the description down below. Click, easy as that. And all the information will come up after this video about how you would like to contact them, how you can contact them if you'd like to join, and the deal, what you've got, how it happens. So the build is between the NASCAR season. Righto, so let's get the first one up and see what you reckon. Here we go, first one off the rank. Richard Petty's old Oldsmobile 442 1979 winner, as you can see. By the way, this is my very first ever NASCAR build. I do own a few NASCARs in bigger scales and smaller scales, but they're none of them that I've built. I did build a couple of group builds in diecast. I'll show you those later on as we're doing this build next year. And it's such a cool car there. I've never built one of these kits before from this company here. Salvino's is it, JR models. So and like I was saying, it'll be my first ever NASCAR kit. So we've got that one there as that choice there, and then I'll swap it over and we'll check the other one out. And here's the other one, Fireball Roberts 57 Ford. Well, it is a 57 Ford, but that's a cool unstarted kit. So we've got that one there. So there's no age for the NASCAR. I'm hoping that still classes as a NASCAR. It's the old school stock car. Someone can tell me, but they're the two kits I've got to play with there. So if you let us know in the comments which one we should build, and we're going to build it how it should be built, like you see it there and the other one. So there you have them. So let us know in the comments which one do you reckon we should build. I am going to build both of them, but not both of them for this build. I am going to, because I want to build one a bit faster than the normal. Alright, so this is the group build with the NASCAR build for 2023, and Jeff's Model Car Garage and Fred Henry's. Their links to their channels will be down there below, and I'll also put the links to the videos of their invitationals. And coming up after this will be all the info that you'll need if you want to join and contact them. Alright, thanks again for watching. We hope you liked the show. Cool cut, two kill NASCAR kits, I reckon. And until next time, take care, look after yourselves, and we'll catch us again on the next one. Bye for now. Oh, and I forgot one thing. That's our Chevy Lumina NASCAR that we used to have in my old tow truck. I am trying to find a Chevy Lumina kit in Australia. It's impossible. They're all in the US, so I'm going to get a couple of those over there. If I do happen to get those over there, I will add that car to those other builds. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you then. This will be in another video. Stay tuned.